Hi everybody, it's Laura and Arnie with Crazy Cool Cakes.
We're back.
And check out this awesome tiki mask cake topper that Arnie's going to show you guys how to make. A topper like this one is perfect for all your Hawaiian, beach, and luau themed cakes.
This is really fun to make.
But remember, if you guys don't want to make it for yourself, you can always order it from us in our Etsy shop. You can find the link to our Etsy shop and the links to our social media in the description box below the video.
Look us up. We want to see you there.
You just saw Arnie roll out some brown gum paste into a 6 by 3.5 inch rectangle. Here he's using the wheel tool just to score some lines into the gum paste to give it a wood effect. Just to let you guys know, if you're interested in any of the tools that you see him using in this tutorial, we'll provide the links for you in the description box underneath this video. And also, we always use only gum paste to make our decorations, which is basically a mixture of fondant with Tylose powder. If you're interested in learning how to make gum paste the way we do, be sure to check out our tutorial on how to make gum paste. As you see, he's already started with the details by adding 2 thin blue lines. This is a really pretty electric blue color, and he's using a pointy tool to make little tiny details in the strips.
I think when it comes to tiki masks, the more detail, the better it looks.
I agree, and I love these colors too. Remember guys though, you can always use whatever colors you want, but I particularly love these electric colors from AmeriColor. These little pink lines are only about 1/8 of an inch in width. And by the way, what you see him using here to stick everything on is edible glue.
Yeah, if you want to learn how to make it, just check out our tutorial.
So this mouth is just freehand, huh?
You know that's right.
That's pretty good, baby.
Thank you, baby.
The mouth and the eyes are made by using black gum paste, and the way we make black gum paste is just by buying black fondant and then just adding Tylose powder to it. Is that your head that just blocked the entire view?
I believe it is.
Oh my god.
I'm going to have to cut my frohawk down.
Okay, so after adding the eyes and the mouth, you see him just rounding out the corners here of the mouth, and then you saw the little eyes he made using little teardrop cutters. Now he's cutting an orange strip. You can see it's kind of long here, and it's about 1/4 of an inch in width. And then he's adding edible glue all around the black mouth. So I guess he has orange lips.
Yeah? You got a problem with that? Most tiki women dig the orange lips.
And then just more little dot details all around the mouth. I suppose this is the perfect time to invite you guys to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. We have lots of super detailed and fun tutorials. And again, we'd love to have you guys join us either on Facebook or Instagram. And if you happen to make this tiki cake topper, please be sure to tag us. We'd love to see it.
At Crazy Cool Cakes.
A green outline for his orange lips.
Gotta make the lips pop.
I love this electric green color. This is literally my favorite color ever.
We're gonna go down to Electric Avenue.
Now you see him using the flat end of our medium-sized ball tool to create little lines and dashes all around the green strip. This probably is the most invaluable tool that we use. Remember, all the links are underneath the video. The last detail around his mouth will be this nice, thin, long pink worm. Just add edible glue all the way around and wrap it around. Don't worry about all of these edible glue stains, guys. We'll show you at the very end how to get rid of all of these. Make sure everything's nice and smooth and even.
The flat end is great for this.
Next, he's adding a little bit of color around the eyes, and for this, he's just cutting out 1/4 inch in width strips. And remember, guys, you can use pretty much any colors you'd like. And while he's adding these, I think now is also a good time to mention to you all that in case you didn't know, we offer private classes in El Paso, Texas. That's where we are. We have students travel here from all over the world, and we teach icing techniques, sugar modeling, cake decorating, pretty much whatever you want to learn, we can teach you. So if you're ever interested in joining us for a few days, Arnie and I would love to have you. If you're interested in receiving a quote on a private class, be sure to email, or you can also message us on Facebook and Instagram. All the information is underneath the video for you. I like the way you're doing the 2 colors around the eyes. That looks really nice.
You gotta keep it fresh.
Okay, so now he's adding more little detail all around the eyes. Give it a little bit more dimension. Here's that beautiful electric blue color, also one of my favorites. And he's adding a thin little border around the eyes. I guess you're gonna go 2 different colors on this as well, right?
Hey, you know me.
That looks really nice.
Thank you.
This is such a colorful tiki mask. It looks really, really girly. I love it. And we've also done this in solid brown, and it looks really cool as well.
Yes. If you've never made anything like this, we really encourage you to try it. It's a lot of fun and really not hard at all. Don't forget to share your creations with us on Facebook or Instagram. And don't forget to tag us.
That's starting to look pretty cool. Every time I see one of these tiki masks, it always reminds me of the Tiki Room in Disneyland. That was like one of my favorite shows to watch when I was a little kid.
You know, I never saw that show.
How is that possible?
I don't know. It just happened.
He's already adding the teeth, and as you saw, he cut out 2 white strips of gum paste, and they're each about a ½ an inch in width. Do you guys see the brush that he's using? We also make these marbled brush stands for cake and sugar artists, so if you'd like to order one, you can customize your colors to your heart's delight, and you can order them from our Etsy shop. The link is underneath the video. Are you giving him a gap in his teeth?
Minor detail.
Like Madonna?
Or Michael Strahan, just to name a few. It just adds character.
It's cute.
I know, huh?
And now he's just very lightly pressing down with the blade to give the appearance of several teeth. Now we're moving on to the nose, and for this we're using brown gum paste, and this is Wilton's chocolate brown fondant, and we just added Tylose powder to it to turn it into gum paste. Be sure to check out our tutorial on how we make gum paste. As you saw, he rolled out a ball about 1 inch in diameter, and he rolled it into a teardrop shape, and now he's adding lines with the wheel tool to give it a wood grain. For the nostrils, you're going to roll out 2 balls, each about a ½ an inch in diameter, and roll them into a teardrop shape. You want to press them down lightly just to make sure that the bottom is semi-flat. To make the nostrils, use the largest size ball tool and gently press into the bottom of each teardrop. And lastly, score in some wood grain lines. It's coming together.
Ah, I can breathe.
No, not yet. He doesn't have nostrils yet. When you're adding edible glue, you want to add just enough to make it tacky. Keep in mind that the more glue you add, the longer it's going to take to dry.
I can breathe.
Okay, now you can breathe. Cool, man.
Yeah.
We're going to make a few embellishments of flower and some leaves, and we're using a Wilton floral mold. We'll be adding the link for you down below. And these molds are pretty simple to use, as you can see. Then we're going to use some pretty dark pink dust just to give it a little bit of dimension, add a little bit of color to it. That's the perfect place for it. Last of all, we're just going to make 3 leaves for the top of the tiki mask. Remember that all of these embellishments are just suggestions. There are so many different things that you could add, different colors you can use, and different types of molds that you could make flowers and leaves and all kinds of other beautiful things out of. That's the great thing about making decorations. You can get as creative as you want. Man, you did awesome, sweetie.
Thanks, baby. And now to our favorite part.
Steaming procedure!
Come in!
What does steaming do, you ask? Well, it gets rid of all of the edible glue stains, it gets rid of any fingerprint smears or smudges, and it gives our toppers a nice professional sheen. Once this dries, it'll look even more beautiful. Great job, sweetie.
Thank you, sweetie.
Thanks for watching, everybody. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you haven't yet, please don't forget to subscribe.
Thanks for watching, everybody.
Hope to see you on Facebook or Instagram. God bless you all.
Take it easy. God bless.